Initialize a numpy array. Is there a way to initialize a numpy array of a shape and add to it? I will explain what I need with a list example. If I want to create a list of objects generated in a loop, I can do. I want to do something similar with a numpy array. I know about stack, concatenate, etc. However, it seems these require two numpy arrays as inputs. What I need is the big underscore array should have a shape, 10,4. How to do this? Edit. I want to add the following clarification. I am aware that I can define big underscore array equals numpy.zeros, 10,4, and then fill it up. However, this requires specifying the size of big underscore array in advance. I know the size in this case, but what if I do not? When we use the .append function for extending the list in Python, we don't need to know its final size in advance. I am wondering if something similar exists for creating a bigger array from smaller arrays, starting with an empty array.
numpy.zeros return a new array of given shape and type, filled with zeros. Or numpy.ones return a new array of given shape and type, filled with ones. Or numpy.empty return a new array of given shape and type, without initializing entries. However, the mentality in which we construct an array by appending elements to a list is not much used in numpy. Because it's less efficient, numpy data types are much closer to the underlying C arrays. Instead, you should pre-allocate the array to the size that you need it to be, and then fill in the rows. You can use numpy.append if you must, though.
The way I usually do that is by creating a regular list, then append my stuff into it, and finally transform the list to a numpy array as follows. Of course, your final object takes twice the space in the memory at the creation step, but appending on Python list is very fast, and creation using np.array also.
Introduced in NumPy 1.8. NumPy.full return a new array of given shape and type, filled with fill_value. Examples.
Write analog for the Pythons is